Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So we had a couple of ways how we could do that, and the first one is you should first open the control panel, the control center, and find here the flashlight icon. So just to activate flashlight you should click to this icon just by this way. Also we had one more way how we could do that. Just click press the power key button and you'll see here on the left down corner the flashlight icon. You should just hold it for a while to activate the flashlight, and to turn it off you should hold for a while by the same way this icon. Also you could change the brightness level of the flashlight. Just first click to activate the flashlight, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. You could just increase the brightness level of the flashlight by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.